Hello, this is the Technical Analysis, February 2016, GBPAUD article contest. Here, very fast, I will try to describe basic technical analysis and my trading setups in future days. First of all, we can watch Aussie dollar. Before NFP, we can see that Aussie dollar try to reach January high. As we know, yearly open is very important thing in trading because January month, January low and January high are very important two price levels, because we see that price go above January high during the year, and of course on the close of the year we can say that the year was bullish for some currency pair if we see that price is below January low during the year and at the close of the year, we can see that the year was bearish for that currency pair. So anyway, yearly open is very important for all kind of traders. It's important to see the basic trend, the yearly trend, the yearly trading, and for me it's a good strategy for the month February. So if we watch Aussie dollar, we can see that Aussie in February started very strong, and just before NFP today, price touched strong resistance line and the price wanted to go above January high, but NFP gave us results of excellent employment. It's unemployment rate 4.9, and that rate is unexpectedly excellent. On the other side, NFP report about new job openings is 151K. It's as we know much lower, but this news about employment was too good, and we saw bounce of US dollar. But I can say that this is not so good trend for US dollar, and I see maybe in February to see maybe US dollar to go lower, and because of that I will watch these charts and this chart predictability. As we can see, Aussie dollar technical analysis, in my opinion, should go on support before bounce, and the point 0.7 is a strong support. This area I use Fibonacci retracement on this chart to calculate the best level to make one new buy order. I will watch Monday, and if I see that Monday close and in the Tuesday if I see that price wants to go above and to the 1.71, then I will enter one buying trade. On the other side, we have a euro dollar. On a daily chart, we can see that price for euro dollar is above January opening range. So this year can be good for euro dollar, and the starts can be very interesting. Because of that, I will try to watch this currency pair. I want to see at least 1.11, so maybe 50 pips, 50 to 100 pips down, and after that I will go and I will try to create some buying order. On the other side, if we watch 4-hour chart, we can see this area, support area for euro dollar, and nice levels to maybe try to buy euro dollar. But if I see that price is lower and some daily close below 1.1, I will be flat and I will wait for another opportunity to buy this currency pair. British Pound Aussie, as we can see, price right now is in the January opening range. Nothing spectacular happened here, and I want to watch this currency pair because maybe few hundred pips rising trend will give such a good opportunity to, as we can see on the 4-hour chart, to try to sell British Pound Aussie dollar. This level around 2.05 is excellent for selling, but we need to be cautious because if we see some daily close above 2.06, it's not a good sign for bearish trading, and immediately I will be flat and wait another good opportunity for selling or maybe buying. We will see. British Pound Dollar cable is good shape like Euro Dollar. First, I need to say that we are still in January opening range. We need to go above 1.48 if we want to see more bullish British Pound Dollar gains. But for traders who want to follow this strategy against the dollar, if you want to buy, I want to tell you that level 1.447 and around 144 is good for buying, but if you see daily close below 144, it's not good for buying, and you need to be flat and wait some other opportunity for British Pound Dollar buying. I want to tell you that right now, if you see relative strength index or some indicator below there you can see that we are on some kind of support on 4-hour chart, so maybe 1.4475 is excellent level. It's a 38.2 fib retracement level. Maybe it's good level for buying, and if this really strong bullish currency pair, this level is excellent. Now we go to talk about Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar after NFP started to go lower, but we are still in a January opening range. What I want to tell you is to watch Friday candle. It's a red candle, and on Thursday we have a bullish candle. And interesting is that higher high and lower low is showing that this pattern on the chart is in yellow color, is a bearish engulfing pattern, and this pattern can produce more bearish tone. So I will not buy right now Kiwi dollar. I want to wait, maybe 0.65 or something. As you can see on RMI or RSI indicator down, we still need to go a little bit down before buying. So maybe I will buy this week and maybe I will not. I will want to see more bearish tone and then to go up. Now we can talk about Loonie, and US dollar CAD is in the bearish daily tone, but one moment we went below January opening range, but right now we're back in January opening range. As we can see, first I want to tell you that middle line of Bullinger Band is still above candles, and we are still in a bearish mode. Interesting thing will be if we see that US dollar CAD try to reach some kind of resistance, and resistance are in 1.4 to 1.43. In this huge area we need to find some interesting spot to sell. Right now it's not smart to sell. I want to wait, and similar like at Kiwi dollar, I want some good lever for selling, and I think this oil market is very connected to US dollar CAD, and if we see that the oil market is going better and better, and then we can see more bearish tone for US dollar CAD. On the end, as US dollar Japanese yen technical analysis after NFP, we can see that we are full this February in a January opening range, and right now I want to be on the short side, but I want to wait. I want to wait for some nice level to sell. Maybe we want to see Monday close, what will be with Monday, and maybe then if I see price below 116, I will try to sell. Or if I see price around 119 in that area, in blue area, maybe I'll try to sell this currency pair. As we can see, this is it. Thank you for listening, and I think that this article will be helpful for you for another and beautiful trades.